Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the app appearance on any iPhone. Now to do that, just tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen, then tap on Edit, then tap on Customize. And from here, you will be able to change the app appearance on your iPhone. By default, it is on the default option, but you can select dark. And after you select dark, you will enable the dark option of the icons. And you also have the option of always and auto. Now, if you select auto, the dark icons will automatically be enabled during the nighttime and it will be disabled during the daytime. After that, you have the option of clear. And if you select clear, you will enable the liquid glass style of the app icons. And also from here, you have the option of light, dark, and auto. And finally, you have the option of tinted. And from here, you can change the color of the tint and you can increase or decrease the saturation of the tint from here. And also from here, you have the option of light, dark, and auto. Now, if you tap on the larger app icons, you will hide the app names and you will make the app icons larger. Just like that. And if you tap on the dim icon over here, you will darken the background. Just like that. Now to save the changes, just tap on the empty space on your home screen. And this is how you can change the app appearance on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.